Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to explore Binance NFT Marketplace. Now, this is pretty simple and straightforward. I want you to click this one and we should be seeing here more services. Here at the top, I want you to go ahead and type NFT and you should be able to see this one. So from this point forward, what we're gonna do is head over to the collections and then you should be able to see here all of the collections. Now, you can go ahead and open each one of them in order for you to see what are the things or what are the NFTs that are present in that particular collection. Yeah, we're just going to wait, and there you go. So yeah, from this point forward, you can go ahead and try to check them, and you should be able to see here the price as well. So that is the price in USD. I can go ahead and choose the ETH here, or the Ethereum, in order for me to see this one. All right, that's amazing, right? Now, say for example, you want to save some of these collections. We're going to head back and say for example, for that ape or this the one number here, I'm gonna go ahead and long press and you should be able to add it to your watch list. So you can go ahead and check this one here, and that is the watch list. So you can go ahead and check this every single time. Say for example, if there are so many NFTs and you lost track of it or it's difficult to track, so you can add it here so you can easily open it. And then you can also go ahead and click the trending here in order for you to see what are some of the things that are currently hot in the market right now. So for example, we have this number one. I can go ahead and open it and I should be able to see here the collection as well. All right, there you go. So yeah, that is basically how it's done, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to explore Binance NFT Marketplace.